Hello and welcome to the Admiral Studios. My name is Joel, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Admiral ramp support. Now, one of the most important things, in fact, the most important thing before we even begin building a ramp is to make sure that your stage decks can support both round and square legs. Now, I happen to have a cross section of a stage decks here, and as you can see, it will fit both the square and it will also fit the round legs. Now that you're sure that you can build a ramp, let's talk about the two different systems we offer here at Admiral. First, we have the universal ramp support system. Now the advantage of this system is that you only have to buy one type of ramp support. Now that's great. However, you do need to specially cut your legs to the sizes you desire to make the slope that you want. On this side, we have our standard ramp support system. Now the advantage of this system is that you can use your standard legs from your stage decks to make your slope. I'll talk a little bit more about this system now. Here we have our three ramp supports. Now, should you want to build a ramp with two stage decks, you can use one of these two. And this one here, our fixed stage ramp support, is used for smaller ramps with a height of your stage that is 40 centimeters. If you are looking to build a ramp with three stage decks, then our aptly named and very handsome three stage deck ramp support is also needed. Now let's build a ramp. When constructing a ramp, it's best to combine your stage leg with your ramp support first to make the whole process a lot easier. Let me show you how to do this. Provided on each ramp support is a sticker that will tell you all the information needed to build your ramp. Because our podium today is 100 centimeters and we are using a three stage deck ramp support, we know that we need 60 centimeter legs and we're going to fasten our ramp support in position A. To lock your ramp support in position A or in any position, insert your leg and line up so that your locking pin can fit nicely and snugly in the hole. Now that the leg is in position, I insert my locking pin to make sure it's all secure and attach an R-clip on the back to keep everything from moving. Now to continue the ramp building process, we insert our coupling profile into our podium. Now it's a great idea to have your stage deck on top of your podium, so it's a lot easier to insert the legs. Make sure to insert the square side into your stage deck. Now that our legs are in position and fastened, we can continue building our stage. But I'll need an assistant to help me finish. Please welcome my good friend Yodi. Now we're in the last stages of our ramp building. I've put the other stage decks on top of our first one that we've already attached to make it easier to attach your legs. Now it's important to remember that we are still going to double check our heights by the three stage deck ramp support and not the green two stage deck. So you have the 100 centimeter podium. That means we will need 30 centimeter legs and we will set our ramp support to position A. You notice that we're always attaching the square side of our ramp support toward the podium. That way you're able to attach the round side on the outside, and that must be done to complete your ramp. Let's complete our ramp. To finish off our ramp, we have another great Admiral product, the Admiral Slope. This is a 50 centimeter design that's more lightweight and compact than your normal 1 meter slope. But because it's a little more lightweight and compact, we added some reinforced slopes on the bottom to make sure that it can support all the weight. We also attached some rubber studs to make sure nothing moves and you don't scratch your floor. Now these two can be linked to build a 1 meter slope, and with these bolts sticking out. The slope slides in nice and easy. So that's it for our ramp support system and ramp slope. For everybody here at Admiral, I'm Joel. Happy ramp building.